Our today video is about 7 ways to get healthier skin. So before starting the video, do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's start. Everyone dreams to look beautiful and different. Are you one of them? A healthy skin is the way toward attractive personality. Skin is the most important organ of our body. Natural care of skin improves more than any remedy. Is it not easy? The only two things you have to follow are patience and punctuality. Will you follow these both? Our today video is based on the way to get healthy skin for every person. So let's get started to be benefited, and drop your comment if you find this video informative. The first one is to have proper water intake. Your body loses large quantities of water every day. So if you don't replace it by drinking more water, your skin will suffer the consequences. The more hydrated you stay, the fewer wrinkles and fine lines you will see. It reduces puffiness and makes your skin soft. Drinking more water can help speed up the healing process for your sunburn. The good amount of water per day is from 8 to 9 glasses. Drink green tea. Green tea contains a powerful antioxidant called EGCG that fights DNA damage from UV rays to prevent skin cancer. Green tea is a powerful antibacterial agent for treating acne and unclogging pores. The benefits of green tea for skin expand to your hairs too. If you are experiencing swelling around your eyes, put the refrigerator cool green tea bags on your eyes up to 30 minutes. Washing your face. Always thoroughly wash your face with fresh cold water on returning your home. Your skin will look smoother as your face wash removes dead skin and leaves you feeling and thinking fresher. Are you overwashing your face? Overwashing uses yourself from using a cleanser that's too harsh for your skin. Twice a day cleansing your face removes the pollutants and irritants that our skin is exposed to. Improve your sleeping time. During sleeping, the body releases human growth hormones, a necessary ingredient for collagen production. The proteins that give people shiny hair, strong nails, and glowing skin. The National Sleep Foundation recommends 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night for most adults. Less than that can play a role in the development of wrinkles, sagging skins, and dark circles under the eyes. The reason: lack of sleep causes the stress hormone cortisol to be released. Choose a sunscreen. A sunscreen with a sun protection factor of 30 should suffice, as it blocks up to 97% of UV rays, while sunscreen helps protect against skin cancer. It also protects against sun damage, which over time can cause your skin to wrinkle as it loses moisture. So, to keep your skin looking smooth and firm as you age, take the time to protect it now. Exercise regularly. By increasing blood flow, exercise helps nourish skin cells and keep them vital. Try to get in a routine by starting your day with a light sweat, either by jumping rope or doing a few yoga poses. But it's very important to wash out your face after exercise. If not done, the sweat and the dirt will block your skin. Eating habits. Avoid eating too much junks, spicy, ready-made and overcooked foods. It's hard to stay away from all these, but it's beneficial. Have fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C. Nuts contain omega-3 fatty acids that are good for skin. Eggs and cereals provide sufficient amount of zinc and iron to your skin. In the end, must keep your water in balance and try to have the healthier skincare routine, and then enjoy your beautiful skin.